Hey everybody, we made it through QIA, and Bandit, what are you doing? Bandit. I thought I'd show you something cute of Bandit doing something cute because he's been so cute, but he's not being cute right now. Frugal RV Gal and I are sitting outside after a day at QIA. There she is, and
Just
Sammy
walking
down the street.
And do a dee dee do
Diddy.
dum.
And
You look good.
but yes, you do. You look fine. I nearly lost my mind.
Let's have some wine.
There you go. That's how we're feeling. I got up, or I've been up since like 3:30 this morning, and got ready for QIA, got there and had a wonderful time, and I'll have a video about that for you hopefully pretty soon. We left her tent out at our site because we are out here in the middle of nowhere, and I'll show that to you in a moment. And we wanted to come back to this same place, and that's not the same. Everybody's like, you can't reserve a site, and that's not the same. That's like leaving your rig and running into town with somebody else in their vehicle. You're not reserving your site. You left your stuff there and are coming back, and it was the same day. So I know people get really confused on that, but trust me, it is not reserving a site. It just held our site, showed people that were there, even though we're out here in the middle of nowhere. And I just wanted to say too, thank you so much for the support on Friday Night Live yesterday. I've been having a really hard time, and I don't know, something about the Friday Night Live and voicing what all is going on with me, and just determined to not stay in that and to be positive and to use paper plates. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the Friday Night Live from yesterday, and it's about Van on the Reba show, and he would say, I got one word for you, paper plates. And then the other one that he would say is, I got one word for you.
Let it go.
Let it go. And so I am determined to be positive and let it go.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Let it go. Just let it go.
Let it go.
And I'm determined to do that. And so today, every time I caught myself being frustrated. Like tomorrow, we're going to go back into town and meet our friends, and for me that means putting things out of my rig and putting things back in, because right now I'm wall to wall for book events on stuff inside my rig. And I caught myself starting to whine, and it's like, oh, what a problem to have. I'm an author that is doing book signing events, and I have to have inventory, and I've got friends that I get to go spend time with tomorrow. Wah, wah, wah. I got over it real fast and happily set some things out, and will happily put them back in the morning as I go to town. And so I just wanted to share this evening with you. I think the sun is that's probably too bright for me to be able to share the sunset with you, but that is what's going on behind us. And there's Bandit again. He is still looking for something under rocks. He will do that 24/7 if I let him. And then here is the view that we are sitting and looking at. And oh, look, there's Penny on the bank of the wash, perfectly outlined. And as you can tell, there's just, I mean, I said Penny, but it's Phoenix. Right. Oh my God, that's my rig. Penny is way over there, but not casting a shadow. But as you can tell, there is just nobody around us, and we just love it out here. And I have been wanting to do my channel differently, and I think I'm just going to kind of do updates as I can, when I can, and keep you guys in the loop. Because when I try to do, and I've gone this round circle before, when I try to do polished videos, and I owe you a few. I owe you a couple from KOKO Fest, and I want to share with you what I filmed today. And so I will get those out, but I'm also going to just share the moment with you, because otherwise I'm just not doing it. And I feel like my channel is becoming irrelevant, And I don't want that to happen. I've been on YouTube sharing videos with you of my nomad life since 2016. And so we're going to do this. I'm just going to share with you moments that are special that I just love. In fact, I'm going to flip this around and show you one last thing. There's the front of Phoenix and a dead tree that I've been trying to save over time because we camp at this spot the last few winters. But you guys, look down that lane at those saguaros. You know, they have been here for 100+ years. And this area is just beautiful. And some people only see desert and dirt and sand and rocks. And they're like, how do you think that's pretty? But you have to look beyond all of that and look at the mountains in the back and the saguaros and the cactus and the vegetation. And down in this wash, down below Phoenix, the shadow of Phoenix and the shadow of us sitting in our chairs, that's about a 30-foot wash. And later I'll show you a trail that is in that wash, and there's a ton of deer track. So to us, the desert is beautiful. To me, this is peaceful and healing. And I just wanted you to know I'm thinking of you, and I'll share more with you later. But thank you for the FNL last night. Thank you to everyone that came out to QIA today. And tomorrow we get to see our friends again. We got to see them today and went to Silly Al's for pizza too. So that'll be in another video. See you down the road. KOKO.